All India Punjab National Bank Officers Association, an organization of working officers of Punjab National Bank. Formed on 27 September 1964 and registered under Trade Union Act of 1926 on 19 August 1965. AIPN BOA, with a membership of over 26,000 officers, is the largest organization of officers amongst all nationalized banks. Mr. Dilip Saha, General Secretary of AIPN BOA, is also the President of AIBOC, which is the world's largest supervisory level organization with more than 3,20,000 officers in Indian banking industry. Our motto: Nation first, organization next, individual last. The aims and objectives of AIPN BOA are to maintain and promote amongst its members a spirit of service to the bank's constituents and public in general and loyalty towards the institution. To take all steps to maintain a standard of efficiency and upright conduct consistent with the tradition of the banking profession. To protect and promote the interests, rights and privileges of the members in all matters relating to their emoluments, service conditions, retirement benefits, housing, health, etc. and to take appropriate steps to achieve this objective. To organize social, cultural and educational activities for the benefit of its members and their family. AIPN BOA is a democratic organization and believes in complete transparency in its functioning. All its leaders and representatives at various levels are elected through secret ballot after a fixed term of 3 years. Circle Secretary and Circle President are elected for a fixed term of 3 years. AIPN BOA maintains its own website, aipnboa.in, to keep members updated with developments on real time. We publish our monthly newsletter, Dhol Ki Wala, to update members on various activities of AIPN BOA on pan-India basis. The current team of Central Office Bearers was elected in the Triennial General Council meeting at Jaipur in September 2015. It consists of Chairman, Mr. B.L. Goyal, Jaipur. President, Mr. Ajay Jetli, Delhi. General Secretary, Mr. Dilip Saha, Mumbai. Working President, Mr. S.K. Khajanchi, Raipur. Vice Presidents, Mr. P.K. Mekab, Odisha, Mr. Sudhanshu Shekhar, Bihar, and Mr. Vinod Kumar, Meerut. Deputy General Secretaries, Mr. Lalit Arora, Karnal, Mr. Prashant Shandilya, Ranchi, and Mr. S.K. Khajuria, Jammu and Kashmir. Treasurer, Mr. William Toscano, Mumbai. Organizing Secretaries, Mr. Gopal Sharma from Shimla, Mr. IPS Chawla from Indore, Mr. P.R. Kukredi from Dehradun, and Mr. S. Ravichandran from Trichy. A 3-layer structure ensures efficient and effective functioning of the association at the base level. Circle level committees, Central Working Committee, and Central Executive Committee. Being the majority officer organization, AIPN BOA's nominee gets nomination in the Board of Directors as Officer Director. Mr. Dilip Saha, the present General Secretary, has been on the bank's board besides other leaders in the past. AIPN BOA's office bearers also get nomination in PNB Employees PF, Pension and Gratuity Trusts. Mr. Ajay Jetli, President, is the trustee on the PF Trust. Mr. Vijay Mahajan, CS, Central Delhi, is now trustee on Gratuity Fund Trust. AIPN BOA takes up the issues relating to the bank and its officer members with the management through various structured forums at various levels. Such structured forums include Circle Management Relation Machinery, MRM, meeting at the circle level. Zonal Management Relation Machinery, MRM, meeting at the Field General Manager level. Central Management Relation Machinery, MRM, meeting at the corporate level. AIPN BOA also participates in the following committee: Customer Care Service, IT Steering Committee, Holiday Home Maintenance Committee, Supervisory Committee for Training Centers, Core Working Group to effectively solve the issues relating to the welfare of the bank and its employees. Various welfare activities conducted by AIPN BOA for its members. Death relief of ₹50,000 to the family of deceased members while in service. Conducting coaching classes and providing study material to members for bank's internal promotion. Association has its own holiday homes at various places for the use of its members. Memento to retiring members. Arranging sports and cultural activities for its members. Organizing self-defense camps for the lady members. Conducting health checkup camps regularly. AIPN BOA helps the members in providing legal assistance and other support to its members. Providing defense representatives to officers facing disciplinary issues. Conducting leadership development program to develop leadership skills. Training for defense representatives to handle disciplinary cases. AIPN BOA also launched the women's wing of AIPN BOA to take up the specific issues of lady officers independently. Social responsibilities of AIPN BOA. AIPN BOA conducts various social welfare activities to help the needy members of the society, such as giving financial assistance to poor and needy students of the society every year, arranging blood donation camps, eye donation camps, and organ donation camps, organizations working for the poor and the specially abled. Now, we present glimpses of the various activities of AIPN BOA. AIPN BOA